Yo. Good morning. We're back. Shave face and all. My beard was getting annoying, man. It was like getting annoying. So had to cut it back. All right. Man, last night we absolutely killed it. Did anybody watch last night? Oh my God. Guys, I couldn't lose last night. It was crazy. It was crazy last night, chat. We were on fire. Absolutely on fire last night. Took 1, 2, 3, 4 trades last night. Over 80 points live on YouTube. Showed every entry, showed every exit. I mean, it's too easy sometimes. It's too easy, man. If you're missing out on the nightly sessions, make sure you tune in. You never know when I might be live. So hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. All right. So we're getting ready here. Big shout out to Lucid, man. We got massive payouts. Lucid paying the bills right now. Look at these guys, over $50,000, right? Over $50,000 in payouts right now on Lucid this month alone. This month. I mean, I'm just saying like alone tonight. It's crazy work. Crazy work, chat. Who else is doing it like this? All right, you look here, July 9th, payout confirmed, $3,500. All right, we've got another payout on July 14th. So July 19th, July 14th, and then July 7th. The best part, honestly, the best part about this whole thing, guys, is the fact that I bought an eval beginning of the month. I passed the eval. I then got funded. I then now have 3 payouts in July alone. I mean, I don't know. That just seems like a real good ROI. Look at this. This is for the month of July. We are absolutely printing right now. So $50,000 in payouts. Bang, bang, bang. Let's make some money today. You know what I mean? Let's make some money today. Let's make some money. Let's make some money. Let's make some money today. Oh, buddy. And the funny thing is, so what I've been doing is I have basically all the money that I'm getting from payouts, I'm just putting it in crypto, right? So I got about $100,000 in payouts in the last like 2 months, and I put it all into crypto. So right now we got about I got a 52 Ethereum that we're holding on to right now. That's Solana. Where's my Ethereum? So we're up about $7,000 on Ethereum, holding it right now. I made a video the other day, so basically putting my payout money. I'm putting my payout money back into the market in some way or another. So some way or another, getting paid, baby. Yeah. There's ads on the live stream. Really? How'd that happen? Should be no ads now. So yeah, we got some Ethereum that we're holding on to, and right now Nasdaq overnight just pumping. If we look at the hourly chart right now, you can see kind of consolidation. The London market really did not go anywhere. We got a big pump in the Asian market, but not much action here in London. So London, pretty much like a 80-point range here, right? 80-point range in London. So we'll see what happens. In terms of levels that we're looking at, we got any gaps above us? We have this gap right here, 29,600. Can we move another 400 points here today? Possibly. Or, yeah, 400 points. Maybe. We'll see. Right now, just kind of sitting in the middle of the 15-minute range from yesterday, actually. So we'll see what happens here at open. Still got a lot of time. It's only 9:09. Only 9:09 right now. Good time to be patient. I don't believe we have any news today, do we? I don't think so. Let me see. If we got any news today. July 24th is the next big news. Today is July 21st. We don't really have much news. Only some oil news later on today. So let's go. Julian Lewis says, my wife says you're a bad influence on me. Well, you tell your fucking wife. You tell your wife to shut the fuck up and get back in the kitchen and make you a sandwich. Okay? You say, listen, I'm a man. Right, I can if I want to day trade and if I want to watch Patrick Wieland, I'm gonna do it, bitch. All right, you just tell her. If she has any more problems with that, well, you're fucked. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. All right, well, we got yesterday's high, 29,200 level. Acting as resistance here so far this morning. The $1 million question now. Will we go? We got $49 all in cost. It ends tonight on Apex. So Apex is ending tonight. So if you have not signed up for that or checked that out, well, you might want to. Maybe not. Who knows? We'll see. So, yeah, I mean, we got 2 wicks on the back on those last 2 hourly candles, right? So, kind of looking like, if you look back last week, Thursday, we had this kind of big sell-off here, right? So, basically, Thursday of last week, we had a big sell-off, kind of started overnight Thursday, sold off big, and right now kind of pushing back up, consolidating into this level. So we will see what happens. PW, you look funny today. Well, you know, I don't know. My beard will grow back. I put a fucking guard on the shaver, and it didn't work. PW, do you ever use SMT divergencies as a confluence to help you trade? Do I look like I have Down syndrome? Do I? Patrick, do you use SMT? Do I look like I have Down syndrome? Do I look retarded to you, sir? Do I look retarded? God, Patrick, do you use ICT? Patrick, hey, look, chat, look. I made all this money, right? We're trading Lucid. I made all this money trading with bull flags and bear flags. Bull flags and bear flags, okay? Bull flags and bear flags. $50,000 in payout this month. Bull flags and bear flags. That's all you need. That's all you need, man. Don't overcomplicate this shit. All right, well, hourly chart, just kind of wick. Got a lot of wicks on top, so. I can see 2 things happening. Let's break down the possibilities here, right? What do we got? Possibilities. I think there's one possibility where we basically break out through these highs and we just like pump, right? So, see what happens. Monica from Germany says his affiliate is main income. Hey, Monica, why don't you go suck a dick and shut up, bitch? God. Imagine Monica, she's in Germany right now. She's like, I'm going to tell everybody that he makes all his money as an affiliate. I'm gonna go tell everybody that he makes his money, and then no one's gonna watch him. Nobody's gonna watch him once they find out that he makes all of his money from being an affiliate. Nobody's gonna watch him then. Nobody. Monica. Dankeschön. Okay, Dankeschön. Guten Morgen to you. Right now, just watching to see what happens here going into open. What do you guys think? Up or down? Up or down here? Up or down at open? There are some levels too. What levels are you looking at? What levels do you guys like? Do you like up? You know, like don't just say up or down, like call out some levels. I want to see some levels that you guys are looking at. What are you guys looking at here? What levels? 29,300, 29,100. Yesterday's high. Yeah, well, we're right there at yesterday's high right now, sir. The high is 192.50. 300. Yeah, I mean, I feel like 300 makes sense. If we get a pullback here at open, we put another wiki on the hourly chart and then we go. So that's what we're watching. We're getting ready. Anything's possible. Anything's possible. All right. 5-minute chart right now. Clearly kind of just getting really tight here. If we get a kind of a higher low here, right? It's like ding, 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 and then ding, 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 ding. Hopefully we keep kind of pulling back here into open, because what I don't want to see is us pumping right now. If we start pumping right now, it might be a fake out to the upside. We'll see. If you remember yesterday, the market like opened and then it just like kind of decided to just go up. It was kind of funny. Like yesterday, it kind of just opened and then just like went straight up. So we'll see what happens here today. Overall, the move overnight, making a big move. But it's funny because it kind of just like London opened and the market really went nowhere afterwards. So most of that move happened during Asia. We were trading this live. I got off. I stopped trading right about this point, and look at that move up. So we will see what happens at open. Getting tight either way here. Tight. Getting tight. Right now we got a poll in the chat. We got a poll in the chat here. 63% up, 37% down. All right. Someone says, what would be my plan here? What would be an A+ setup? I think an A+ setup would be we basically get a pullback and then we get the push, right? That would be like an A+ setup. The B+ setup would be no pullback and we just start pushing. So ideally a pullback at open, maybe not that deep, but like, you know, down here below this like 100 level quickly and then right back up, kind of a big V out of it. But right now we're kind of putting in this higher low here at the 150 area. PW, when you got off, you called at least 29,000. I did call it. I did call it 29,000. You can see last night we hit almost, well, we went over 29,000. I was actually on fire last night though, man. I don't know what to do. I just could not lose. We went 4 for 4 last night trading. And you can see here, like, just absolutely killing it. Absolutely killing it. Got long here, took profit. Got short here, took profit. Got long here, took profit. Took another trade after that. Bang, bang, banging, baby. Bang, bang, banging. Bang, bang, banging. Bang, bang, banging. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. That's right, that's right. Right now, Take Profit Trader, you can withdraw your payouts from your actual trading account while you're trading instantly. So let's say you make $3,000, right? Let's say you make $3,000. Let's say at open you make $3,000. Well, what do? You can take an instant payout, right? That way you can't lose it. Hey, you know, it could be the play. It could be the play. It could be. All right, chat. We're getting real close here to open. Real close. If you guys have not already hit that like button, let's get that like button going. We got 343 likes. Did it hit my bank? Oh yeah, I hit my bank account. Well, we're getting ready here. Market is pumping already. Oh, God. I hate when it does this. Like, you want that pullback, right? You want the pullback. But then it doesn't pull back. So, we got about 8 minutes here. We got about 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Do head and shoulders pattern ever work for you, PW? Yeah? What? Yes? Yes. Big push up instead of dump. Yeah, I mean, that's a possibility here. I like, pretty much, I think if we just start going at open, you just got to go long, to be honest. But, well, you know, we'll see. It's you know, it's gonna be fun either way, basically. PW, do you own a Porsche 911? Yeah, I have a Porsche 911 Turbo S. Porsche 911 Turbo S. It's pretty cool. Porsche 911 Turbo S. It's got 2 turbos. It goes real fast. It's real fast, chat. Real fast. This is actually a video of it. Look at that beautiful thing. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Do you take it off any sweet jumps? Oh yeah. All the sweetest of sweet jumps. Look at that thing. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. All right, we're getting ready here for market open, baby. Get ready, people. Get ready. Put your hands in the air like you just don't care. It is almost time. It is almost time. It is almost time. Again, always got to recognize the #1 prop firm, platform, Ninja Trader, Trade-of-8, the biggest, the largest. Trade-of-8 prop, always, it's my ride or die. I've been trading with Trade-of-8. I don't even know how long now. I feel like the only thing consistent in this market, the only thing consistent in my world has been Trade-of-8. It's been there with me since the beginning. The first futures trade I ever took, the first time I ever traded futures was on Trade of 8. Oh, back in the day when I was a young buck. Back when I was just a little guy. Just back when I had a little bit of money. Oh man, this thing's gonna pump and it's gonna be annoying. It's gonna be annoying. I can already tell you. I know it's gonna be annoying. Fuck. It's gonna just go straight up. It's gonna go straight up. It's gonna go straight up here. Why? 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 There's the 190 push already. God damn it. Fawn John says, I don't know, man. Might get the dump. Maybe. We'll see. Right now, straight up, though. We got about 5 minutes here till market opens. 5 minutes, so. Being ready. Being ready. Being ready. Being ready. Could be the trap before the open. I mean, really anything's possible. But right now, we're pushing. Your Indian quant says dump first and then pump. Motherfuckers, look at this thing. That was a nice little bull flag right there. If we would have, like, if this would have been during the market hours, like 10 o'clock, oh my God, that would have been an easy 20 points there. Easy 20 points. So, well, there you have it. The pump is real. 29,200. 29,200. You got 3 minutes here. 3 minutes till market opens. 3 minutes. Again, we're kind of just looking. I think if we do push to the upside, there is, 29,300 being a target. There's not really much else here. The overnight high is right there, 207. So, I mean, 300 level would be very doable, I think. Let's see what happens. Somebody said it either pumps or dumps. Wow. Wow. Sometimes the amount of genius in the chat is through the roof. What's the reason you did not take the bull flag trade pre-market? The reason I did not take the bull flag trade at pre-market is we're 5 minutes till open. And to be honest, like, wow. Yeah, fuck me. God motherfucking damn it. Why do they got it? Why can't they wait till the market open to go up? God. That's retarded. That is literally retarded. All right, well. If we pump, we're going to 348. I agree. Got a minute here, a minute till market opens. It might dump. Yeah, you just check out the overnight high now, so. Yeah, if I would have entered, it would have dumped 100%. Not even a question. 100% it would have dumped. 2 minutes till open. 2 minutes till open here. 1 minute, actually. 1 minute. We're breaking out right now. Fucking A. God damn it. God damn it. 50 seconds. You got Nvidia pumping up. You got the whole market going up. Nvidia pumping 207.33 right now. Straight fucking up. I have a feeling this is going to go straight up. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I mean, we'll see what happens here. Fuck me. 30 seconds till market opens. God, just still pumping. Here we go. 10 seconds. What am I going to do if it goes straight up? I might just have to jump in. I don't know. We'll see. I'm waiting. 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Pull back here. Hold 200s. It's bouncing off that 200 level. For now, I'm trying the longs. Fuck it. I'll take a quick little 20 points. I'll take 20 points right there. Fuck it. Fuck it. 22 to the 43s, in and out quickly there. In and out quickly. Let's see what happens here now if we get a pullback. We were holding the 200s. So, easy W, easy W right there. WWWs. If you have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you have to do. Let's see if we get a pullback here now. And see how it kind of reacts, right? If we get a pullback and get some different reactions down here. Big pullback here now. Back to the 180s, 200 level. Some profit taken, obviously. If we could pull back like to the like maybe pull back into the 160s here would be great. Swipe these lows here at least. Swipe those lows there. But let's see what happens down there. Nice. Wow. Does the micro scalping rule mean that trade won't count? I don't have micro scalping, Caleb Hudson. That was on a Take Profit Trader Pro account. No micro scalping rules. All right, this is kind of what we're looking at. If we get back above 200, I like the longs again, but for right now, just let this pull back some more. Let this pull back some more. The blue line is the 21 on the 5-minute chart, and then on the 1-minute chart, it's the 9 EMA. It's 9 EMA there on the 1-minute chart. So just being patient here. Let this kind of play out. It's just kind of pulling back there. That was a nice little short though. If you shorted there at the 40s, that's almost 100 points now. I was a little scared. Now it's holding here at the 160s, so basically back above 200. Back above 200 could be the explosion. Got to get back above 200 here. Still holding 160s, got that EMA right now acting as some resistance there. 5-minute chart kind of pulled back, retested that previous level that we broke out from. Shorts looking like they're kind of heavy right now. Holding it, basically now you can see we're holding below 180, so shorts still holding there. This is the 1-minute chart we're looking at right now. Yes, 1-minute chart. She's pulling back. Pulling back. 150s. The next level is going to be 112s next. Are we going to pull back here more? I'm trying a quick short here. Take 10 points. Boom. 10 points. From 48 down there to the 38s. Take 10 points. That's 30 points so far here live. He's trying to make a little bit of money. Candles don't lie. Said, thought he went long at open. Yes, I went long at 222. I got out at 43. Hunter Guy said he's looking to get long at 28,982. Watch me work. All right, all right. Someone said perfect short from 230 to 150. Yeah, well, hey, Mr. Indian Quant, just shut the fuck up and trade it, idiot. God. I love when people like, they want like, what do you want? What do you want from me? You want a cookie? You want like, you want me to come over there and suck you off? Like, what do you want? You know, when the people in the chat are like, Patrick, see, I told you it was gonna dump. Well, okay, well, what do you want from me? What would you like me to do? You know, just shut the fuck up and just trade. God. She's still holding up here, 5-minute candles. There's no news today, no news today. She's pumping it back up again. Pumping it back up again here. Strong pump. Back there to the 180s. I'm gonna try a long here, see if we get back above 200 quickly. 20 points. There you go. Like I said, he's too good. Are you guys impressed? Are you guys impressed here, chat? Is anybody happy? Do you guys like making money? Because I do. Because I do, baby. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go, baby. All right, so they pushed it up there to the highs kind of again, but let's see what happens from here now. Can we push all the way through the 250s? This 5-minute candle pushing up, or are we just gonna chop? The high so far is 245. Right, 245 is the high. They're gonna chop it back down now, possibly. Need a better bull flag to form here, right? And there you have it, straight back down off of that 200 push. So a lot of chop going on right now, guys. Be careful. We got to stay above 200 for these longs. Right now, we can't stay above 200, so. And all the way back down again, 160s, man. The dump is real. Big rejection there on the 5-minute chart for now, so be careful. Let's see what happens. Give it some time. They gotta get it above 200 strong. They gotta push it real good. Watch that 200 breakout again, possibly. Got a big wick there above 200 for now. Will they try to push it through that big wick just to squeeze all those people that are trying to short here? Market said we go up, 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 maybe. There's 200s again. Looking a little funky right here. They gotta like get it going quickly to get out of this level. It could just be a lot of chop here, boys. We got no news today, no major news. So let's see, will the pumpity pump happen or the dumpity dump happen here? You know, which one is it? Which one is it? Which one? I'm looking for possibly a long here if we can hold above 200s, but we got to get above that 200 level good. Get above it good, if you know what I mean. know what I mean? She's like right there, just holding up. Getting very tight here either way. We got like a wedge happening, so you got like this wedge here. You could basically just kind of play it like whichever way this wedge breaks is the play, but give it a little bit of room here. Maybe back below 150 we sell down again. So I'm watching, oh, there's that 150 retest. I'm trying to short here. Looking for a new low possibly. Unless it's just gonna chop me. If this starts to squeeze right back up, I'm just gonna jump out. So let's see. Needs to get through 150s again. That was a little, that's like exactly what I didn't want to happen. I'm watching like 180s as my stop here. I don't want it back above 180s here. My blue line of support now. There we go, there we go, there we go. Come on. Make a new low here, boys. Make a new low. Come on. No, don't do that. Why they got to do that? Always, they love doing that shit. Chop, chop, chop in here. It looks so good like it wants to go, but it might just chop here. Come on. I'm just gonna take it right there. I don't like how it's like chopping around in there. I don't like that chop. I don't like that chop when it's like chopping like that. That was still almost $5,000 in profit there. So, yeah. He just did not want to get through there. That's another winning trade, by the way. W's in the chat. I haven't seen many W's. Patrick, are you doing challenges or PAs? These are funded accounts. These are Tradeify funded accounts. The other trades were on Take Profit Trader funded accounts. So W's in the chat. That is the 4 trades now. We had 4 winning trades last night, 4 winning trades this morning. I'm seeing a pattern here. I'm not against the idea of shorting here again. What do you think? We short here again? Another wick off that 160s. But just kind of holding that little double bottom again. Fuck. Yeah, look at that pump. Right back up again. Ugh. Yeah, the 5-minute chart, you can see kind of equal lows, kind of just holding right there. Is this going to be the push to the upside? If we start getting back above 200, I'm getting in long again. Right? I'm getting in long again if we push back above 200s like that. We held this low again, or held these lows. We got the VWAP down there at the 67s. We got a pivot point at the 80s to the downside. So depending on how this, well, that 5-minute candle did not close very nice. If we lose the 40s, I'm looking for a short here again. Break through the 40s, looking for a short down through the 100s. 40s, 40s, 40s. Basically, the low of this candle is right there at 40s. So if we break that, the idea is we should move down like into the 100s next. Just a little bit of basic momentum trading. A little basic momentum trading. Are you going to try the 15-minute range today? Oh, yeah, I'm going to try it. Right now, the 15-minute range is about to be set. We got about 30 seconds here. There's that 40 break. I'm going to try it. It might not work, but we'll try it. Kind of look for 100 down there. $15-minute range is now set. The chop continues here. Yeah. I'm just going to jump out right there. I don't like when it's still just like fucking around there, man. Still just fucking around there. It probably will go now, but see, like, look at that. Like, just very, just does not want to get through there. So just a quick little profit. That was 500 bucks. Rumo, you're long. He's long at 160, expecting a sharp pullback to the upside. Earlier, he was short, looking for a sharp pullback to the downside. Now he's long. This guy's, he's up, he's down, he's all around. All right, so obviously we have our 15-minute range, right? That is now set. If you look here, here's your 15-minute range. So the bottom of the range right now, looking like we could probably sell down here some more. But just waiting to see what happens. There's that pullback. Rumo, he said he's long in Q at 160, expecting a sharp pullback to the downside. Rumo, you fucking, this guy. All right, they're still just kind of like swiping down here. They're not like, it ain't moving. How many contracts do you trade at one time? 5 contracts, 5 accounts. So 1 contract per account, basically. There's that move. Okay, okay. Ooh, starting to look a little better here, but I kind of had that short. We had that short from the 40s, now down there to the 120s. This is the 1-minute chart we're looking at right now. This is the 5-minute chart over here. So let's see what this 5-minute candle does. Do they bounce it here, or are we moving down to the VWAP? Are we moving down to the VWAP? We got to obviously have that gap fill from yesterday's close. Yesterday's close is 28,779. So the gap fill is possible. There's the hundreds now, still moving down. So much for Rumo's short there. Congratulations to Mr. Rumo for letting us know that he was short, that he was long. I gotta have to pin this one for now. Put put him in the Hall of Fame for beautiful call out there. Beautiful, 60 points to the downside, like it. Oh, I mean, oh, you were long. Hold on, he said he's long. He was long at 160. Oh God, that's, never mind. PW, your face looks clean and handsome today. What can I say? I'm a beautiful man. What can I say? I'm rough on the outside, soft on the inside. Right now, Nasdaq is holding up here, 29,120 area. We're looking to see what happens. Do we get a big move to the upside again? If this 5-minute candle closes and we start to squeeze back up, there could be some opportunity for the longs. I'm watching here. We're right there at the hundreds. We just bounced, right? We just bounced off the hundreds. So like, you're thinking back above 140s here. This could start to squeeze back up. But for now, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'd say basically back above 140, I'm looking for like a quick 20 points to the upside back up in there. We're right now trying to push back up here. Chop, chop, chopping. Feeling pretty, oh so pretty. trying to push it back up here. That 5-minute candle looks pretty good to push back up here now. I'm gonna try this long and see if we can't get like a quick little, oh my God. Chat, I'm not doing this on purpose. Chat, I'm not doing this on purpose. I promise you. I'm literally not doing this on purpose. It just happens. It just goes so quick. Every single trade today has just been instant. I'm sorry. It's not me. I show you the entry. I can't help it. It's crazy working right now. What the fuck? Crazy work. Up there 158s now. It's just instant profits. I can't help it. Well, I think now we're basically, if you're looking to get long, you're looking for like a push above 180 back through the middle of the 15-minute range here. Just kind of holding here now above that EMA. If we pull back into like the 140s and we put a wick in there, I might try another long, but maybe it just keeps going straight up here now. Yeah, it looks like it. There's that 180 pushing. I'm gonna try a long here. Well, I'm trying to add there. I was a little early to that, but I think we should be okay. Let's see. She's trying. 5-minute chart looks good. So, gotta see if we can survive this chop on the 1-minute chart now. A little early there, a little early. I'm gonna try to add right here and then try to get out if we pop back up, but just getting denied right here all the way back down. That's not good. That is not good. That hurts. Back to the 120s again. We're gonna have to get out. We gotta get out. Fucking A. Instant rejection right there. Oh, now it's gonna, no way. Are you, no way. No fucking way, chat. Right back up again. God motherfucking damn it. What a pussy motherfucker. What a pussy motherfucker. Sorry, chat, I'm retarded. That was retarded. Just straight back up. God. Nvidia's selling off again. Nasdaq's, it's like, fuck me. Straight back up again. We got Nvidia pulling back, Nasdaq trying to pump. You got ES trying to push. The line in the sand here. Line in the sand for now. Just cannot get above 180s here. I think basically we got to wait for the 180 breakout again. I was just too early to that 180 area. Back up here, back up we go. If we get through 180s, I think we're gonna pump. It's just, we got to get through 180s here. ES is holding up. Nasdaq's holding up here, bottom of the 15-minute range, but it's got to get through 180s there now. Getting very tight. Watch for that 180 area if we're going to break out there or if we're going to sell here again. Yeah. Just chopping around here now. Just chopping around. 5-minute candle had so much fucking potential there, didn't it? Not looking too hot right now though. Watch for that one. We got to get above 180s here. We just got to do it. It's got to go. Stuck there below 180 again. Will this be the resistance to sell lower? The chop is real. Right back down again. Bears are in control, pushing it straight back down. Those 5-minute candles just giving it up there. Maybe to the VWAP next. Yeah, I should have known. Nvidia, see, I was looking at Nvidia when we were trying those longs, and I saw Nvidia not looking too hot, and I should have known right then and there to not go long on the Nasdaq. That should have been the, you know, the fucking... That should be a new rule. If Nvidia's going down, don't go long on the Nasdaq, okay? Because the Nasdaq can't go up when the Nvidia's going out. Bearded Warrior Traders just found my Hit the Bid shirt. Let's go. Hit the bid, baby. VWAP is down there at the 80s. We got 3 minutes until 10 o'clock, obviously. Just in case you're wondering. Just in case. Holding up down here at these lows once again. But Nvidia is selling right now. If the Nasdaq loses the 100, not looking good here. Give it 2 minutes. 2 minutes, chat. Give it 2 minutes until 10 o'clock. Let this hourly candle close. Let the hourly candle close. All right, let this hourly candle close here. Got 1 minute left here. Patrick, you need a shirt that says "I'm in the chopper." Okay. I'm the chopper. You the chopper. Marcus the chopper. Another wick on the bottom of this 5-minute candle, right back up again. Oh my God, what are they doing down here? It's going sideways. I see that. No, I know. So I think still pretty much just got to get above 180s and then we go up. For some reason, they just cannot get it through this level here. Look at that pump right back up in there. 10 o'clock candle coming up. Brandon said, bro, last night 3 for 3. You made me a lot of money. Hey, hit that like button, Brandon. If you guys have not already hit that like button, let's blow it up. Well, we do have a pumpity pump here. Back up 150s again. You do have to just love it sometimes. You do have to just love it sometimes. All right, there's a 10 o'clock candle. Oh my God, is it really gonna go straight through here now? God damn it, right through the 180s. I told you guys, I fucking told you. I fucking told you guys, no one ever listens to me. Or it's gonna chop city here forever. We're right here in the middle of the 15-minute range, so. Will the bulls have enough power to get going through the 200s again? We got a brand new 1 hour candle as well, so. We gotta see. Got to see what's going to happen. This is 180s getting tested. ES is pushing. But Nvidia is still pulling back, so Nasdaq might need more pullback before going higher here. Nvidia needs the bounce. Got to get Nvidia bouncing here. A lot of chop here, a lot of chop. And just right back down again. 180s, 140s. This is clearly just where we're going to be stuck at for a minute, I guess. Yeah, Nvidia is just like selling, and that's taking the Nasdaq down with it. So can't get Nvidia moving, so Nasdaq is having trouble here. Wow, once again, straight down 120s. Straight down here. All the way to the hundreds, boys. Wow. Wow. 80-point pullback there again. 5-minute candles. Bears are in control, I guess. Bears are in control for now. Nvidia still selling. Nasdaq pumping, dumping. Crazy working. And straight back up again. You gotta love it. The chop is insane. Oh, man. Not really much to do here, to be honest. I think you gotta just be patient. Let something happen. If we start to sell through here, maybe we start to move back down to fill that gap, possibly. But as of right now, this has just been one big chop fest. So market just cannot decide which way it wants to go. Play the range, I guess. I don't know. Just chopping. Nvidia is starting to get a bounce again, so maybe she pumps here. I don't fucking know. Lord. There's really nothing to do here. And right back up again. So and right back up. Off the lows again. Beautiful. Beautiful. God. It's a short day. Short today. I mean, maybe, I don't know, just chopping right now. I don't think it's not really a short, it's not really a long, it's just a nothing. It's going nowhere. Not really much you can do here. I mean, maybe it's a short. I don't fucking know. Look at this. It's kind of dipping down. If I was bearish, I'd be looking for maybe a gap fill. But we got to get through this VWAP level. They're kind of just giving it up right now, but the gap is where we closed at yesterday. Gap is at 28,778. So if we push up to the 120s, get denied, maybe I take a short there. Fuck. I don't know if I don't really want to chase that, to be honest. I don't really want to chase that, but maybe. There it goes. It's right there at the VWAP now, so. Fuck. Someone said, dude, don't you think live streaming changes the way you trade? People here talk shit a lot. I mean, people talk shit. What do you want me to do? I make money, bro. Haters are gonna hate, players are gonna play. Fucking A, that is this gonna waterfall now? I'm taking this short, see if we can get a quick little waterfall now. Try to add into this if we do pop back up a little bit. Gonna get clapped here probably. Probably gonna get clapped. Probably. Right here at the bottom, getting wicked out. We'll go up from the VWAP, maybe. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, that was silly. Let me get out there. Fuck me. I knew that would. Oh, God. Just chopping back up there again. Someone said, learn how to trade from D-Money. Hey, Bash, shut the fuck. God. Hey. Suck on my dick. Suck on my dick. Suck on my dick. Suck on my dick. I'm gonna play this possible bounce here. If they're gonna play this range again to pop it back up. Let's see. 15-minute candle, bounced off the VWAP for now, but who knows? Maybe dump, maybe pump, maybe nothing. You never know. Tried to. Right there, the EMA. Nvidia's starting to push back up, so that's why I'm like, maybe this is gonna start to pump again. I don't know. I'm looking to see if we can't get back up there towards the 40s here. Stops are at break even either way. Look at the 15-minute candle. Big wick on the bottom of this 15-minute candle. Got 20 seconds left. Back up towards that 15-minute range. A little bit of trouble running into that 140 area, so. Ugh, just right back down. That was still like 50 points, but now we're gonna get stopped here again. At least we're in the green there now, but wow, look at that. Right back down again, dude. Fucking crazy. Oh, gotta love it. Right back to the 80s again. This is looking wild. I'm gonna try this short to see if this momentum is gonna get us through the new lows. Nvidia once again just kind of selling off here again. Obviously, guys, this is not financial advice. You know, we're trading. I'm a millionaire, so if I lose money, it's okay. Don't follow me. All right, I'm just saying. That was a big rejection there on the 5-minute candle. I mean, fucking A, look at that. Big rejection there. Went all the way up there and just sold right down, so. Some really terrible price action right now. We're short here at the 80s, just chopping around, trying to get this move down, but it might not work. Gotta stop like up here. Fucking A. Yeah, just stopped out right there. Ugh, the chop, man. Just right back up again. Motherfuckers. PW, I noticed you trade around the VWAP a lot. Just wait until it's far away. Oh my, like, who in the fuck? Am I sitting here asking for fucking advice? Do you, am I like, hey guys, can you teach me how to trade? Is that what we're doing right now? Like, do you see me asking for your fucking help? Do you see me asking for your fucking help, you idiot? God, Patrick, you just got, just do what I tell you to do. God, it's crazy. Patrick, I'm gonna tell you what to do. I'll tell you. Patrick, you gotta learn to trade when not near the VWAP. Nasdaq right back up to the 150s. The chop is real. All right, I mean, pretty much you got to wait to see if we get above this 180 again. Can we get a change in the music? No. What's wrong with the music? Music's good. Nvidia is finally pumping back up here now. Coach Jay would say, see money, take money. Yeah, well, Coach Jay is the leading assist basketball player in the men's YMCA league. So, yeah, I'm not taking any fucking advice from Coach Jay. Thank you very much. Been away. What happened to Denny? What do you mean, what happened to him? God. Right back down in the 140s. God. It's painful. It's literally just because Nvidia got rejected again. This is so fucking stupid. Rips can't make... Somebody said that Rips does it like me. Rips does not trade like me. He doesn't make money live. He sits there and goes, tens, I want to see tens. Shut the fuck up. You broke fucking Vegas faggot. Rips is a broke bitch. Remember that. Anybody who lives in Vegas, you gotta be broke. Why the fuck would anybody live in Vegas? Literally. What about Jay Dunn? Also, look at his head. Why is his head so small? Well, when you banned anyone who says a thing that you might not like, I think it's the herd. Welcome to the fucking BDH, baby. Banned. God, they'd be like, Patrick Wieland, he bans anybody who doesn't say what he wants them to say. Yeah, welcome to my motherfucking channel, motherfucker. It's my motherfucking channel, motherfucker. All right, I'm putting my stop right at the low of these candles, and it's either gonna go or it's not. All right, that's all. I don't fucking know. It's gonna chop. I don't fucking know, okay? Becker, I like this. Becker says he ain't broke. He got an SF90. What, you don't think they don't finance those, sir? You don't think they finance SF90s? Are you... This is the problem out there, right? You know what the problem is in the world? Is that people think that if somebody owns a fucking sports car, that they're rich. You know what I mean? Like, that's what's wrong with society. People are like, wow, he has a Lamborghini. He must be rich. Or he's just broke and fucking got a bunch of bills. You know, I don't, however you want to look at it. I mean, that's not true. Vegas has rich people. No, nope. No, sir. No, sir. There's no reason to be rich and live in Vegas. Let's be honest. Why would you want to live in Vegas if you're rich? Tell me one good thing about Vegas. Tell me one good thing about Vegas. Somebody, please. Tell me one good thing. If you're rich, you can live anywhere in the world. So why the fuck would you choose to live in a goddamn circus? Go to the casino. Yeah, dude, that's it. That's what it. Yeah, people who are rich want to go to the casinos in Vegas. That's what they want to do. That's what they want to do. That's what they want to do. can see a different concert every night. Stuart, tell me you're poor without telling me you're poor. Stuart, tell me you're poor without telling me you're poor, please. There you go. Locking in some profit there. Some guy just said that you can go see a different concert every night. Are you fucking poor? You think rich people go to concerts? You think rich people go to concerts? What the fuck? What in the actual fuck? What in the actual fuck? God. Rich people don't go to concerts nightly. Yeah, every night I like to go to a new concert. I've been to the Blue Man Group 500 times. I've been to the Blue Man Group 500 times, man. They're my favorite concert. I'm a big fan of the Blue Man Group. Ski Bum says that he's not poor and he goes to concerts. Ski Bum, you are poor. Shut up, sit down, and just stop. You're poor. All right? Just, you're poor. If you have to say you're not poor because you go to concerts, that basically means you're poor. All right? That's what that means. You're basically admitting that you're poor. Patrick, I'm not poor. I go to concerts. Yeah, no, see, rich people, they have money, so they go to VIP experiences. Rich people go hang out with the band. Rich people get in their helicopter, their private jet, and fly to fuck wherever they want. You know, rich people don't go to some fucking herd fucking concert and sit there with a bunch of fucking morons. You know, that's not what rich people do. That's not what rich people do, okay? Hey, by the way, this is almost 80 points so far. Is this a good trade, chat? Do you like it? Are we happy? Can we go for 100? Is this 100 points? I think so. I think so. So much for those shorts down there. But Patrick, it's a short. Patrick, it's a short. Patrick, it's a short. Patrick, it's a short. Patrick, it's a... Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I would be very surprised if we don't push above the opening range high now. I would just, it would blow my mind, to be honest. I'm just, you know, if we don't push above the opening range high, it would blow my mind. But we'll see. You never know. Anything's possible. Unless we're just going to chop here some more. But we'll see. Rip some packs like last night. No, I'm broke. No more packs for me. Don't let me open Pokemon packs live on YouTube, okay? I go on tilt. It is not good. Dude, I spent like 20 grand last night on Pokemon. Fuck. Fuck. Patrick, how long did it take you to become a millionaire trading? 1 day. 1 day, sir. Someone in the chat said, I'm new here. Are you a trader? This is power content, different to other traders. Like, is this your main content? Like, do you make your money trading or do you have other income? Well, you know, I sell feet pics. I'm pretty big on OnlyFans. I make a few $1 million a day selling my feet pics. And then other than that, you know, basically we just trade live on YouTube and then have fun. So that's, yeah, pretty much that's what we do. I do love when people are like, you're so different from the other streamers. What, you know, I'm like, yeah, no shit, idiot. I have a helicopter. They live in their mom's basement. Big difference. Big fucking difference. Okay? I'm rich. They're poor. Get on my level. Okay? Okay. 29,200. Let's go, baby. Get through. God damn it. Just go up already. I'm curious, how much does a helicopter cost? A helicopter cost, it's like, it depends. 2 million, 2 million, 3 million, maybe 1 million, depends on the helicopter. But the problem is, it costs about $1,000 an hour to run the helicopter. So it's $1,000 an hour is pretty much the cost. And that's not including the fuel or the pilot. So, yeah. That's 100 points, by the way, for everybody in the chat who's wondering. Yes, that is 100 points from the 120s up there to the 24s. I'm just, I'm just pointing it out. I'm not bragging. I'm not bragging, chat. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So, haters gonna hate, players gonna play. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. This is my helicopter. Look at it. Oh, I get hard just looking at it. I'm gonna put a new wrap on it soon. I'm gonna do a purple wrap on it. Look like a fucking Barney up there flying around, baby. Don't look like Barney flying around up there. Look at that thing. Oh my God. No, basically the helicopters take a lot of maintenance, right? It takes a lot of maintenance for a helicopter. So the helicopter, it basically, like, with all the maintenance and everything, it's about $100. It's about $1,000 an hour. That's just kind of like the maintenance, right? And then you got to get the fuel and everything as well. So, but yeah, that's the heli. Warbucks is my crypto prop firm. WarbucksBTC.com. If you have not checked it out, check them out. But yes, this is what we do. This is what we do. Am I learning to fly my own helicopter? I'm not. No, I got a pilot for that. I can't do everything, man. I can't do fucking everything. Look at this pump right now, boys. Look at this fucking pump right now. We're gonna trail it. We're gonna trail it right there at the 180s. So that's still guaranteed 60 points. I like how people say that Daniel, check out the fucking tail number. I don't own the helicopter. It's a lease. Look it up, idiot. This fucking guy, I think he's gonna expose me. The helicopter's a lease, right? I put it in a lease because that way, well, I'm not gonna tell you exactly why, but it basically saves me on taxes. Right? But hey, it's fine. I know you're poor, Daniel, you fucking faggot. I'll look it up. Look it up, you dumb motherfucker. What are you gonna say? It's a lease. Yeah, I know it's a fucking lease, idiot. God. Oh my God. They're idiots. Like, I think people are fucking idiots. People are fucking idiots in the chat sometimes. No, I bought the watch. The $200,000 watch, I bought this. No lease on that. PW, why are you long? Well, we couldn't get through the VWAP down there. We had a big pushback up on the 5-minute candles. I thought that we would probably go for the opening range high now. Was kind of what I was looking at. Do I lease my cars? No, I don't actually lease the cars. I don't lease the cars because, well, they're not that expensive. I just buy them in cash. The biggest benefit of leasing the helicopter, right? I'll tell you exactly why. The biggest benefit, number one, is if the helicopter has any major issues, right? Let's say it has a major issue, like it has, some kind of big problem. Well, it's not my fault. Right? So I'm not responsible for the helicopter, like the major issues. So it saves me a lot of money. I also don't have to pay insurance on it. So I don't pay insurance and I don't have to worry about major issues. So that's why the lease is better. So that's the thing. Yeah. I mean, it's just like, I also like, I don't own a private jet, but I charter private jets. So there's certain things that are better to buy cash and there's certain things that are better to lease. And when it comes to helicopters, I think leasing a helicopter is the better. You should lease your cars too, unless it's a classic. I mean, all my cars are like lifted and crazy. I don't really have any like crazy sports cars right now. So. How do you store the helicopter? It's got a hangar, like at the airport, a hangar. The RWB, I mean, that's a $300,000 car. The Porsche 911s, those are $300,000 cars, not a big deal. Did you sell the blue Lambo? I sold the blue Lando. Do you have a boat? Yes, I have a $1.4 million boat. And guess what? The boat is set up in a lease in my LLC. So my boat that I have, it is leased. It's set up as a lease for the boat that I actually have. So it's kind of funny. It's a $1.4 million lease. And again, it's set up through my LLC. I actually have an LLC just for the boat itself. So the boat itself has its own LLC. It's set up as a lease. Yeah, I mean, it's just, rich people doing rich people things. What's my daily car? I just showed it. Right now I'm driving a 911 Turbo S. For now. This is like just my daily drive around car. It's got 900 horsepower. It goes fast. We got the Cayenne as well. We got the Bronco Raptor. Do you have a Subaru? I do have a Subaru, actually. I do have a Subaru. Kind of funny. I also have a GTR, blue GTR, R34. So this is my R34. So that's pretty cool. This is one of my trucks. Just got a new lift kit on it and stuff, getting pimped out. Nasdaq just chopping back down here. We might get stopped out. We might. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Whatever. Do you have any luxury cars? I have a Rolls Royce. Is that lifestyle sustainable long term? Well, I mean, I have no debt. I have no bills other than the leases, but those aren't really like, those are basically tax write-offs. I mean, I make $1.5 million a month. So, I mean, I don't know. You tell me, is my lifestyle sustainable? I mean, I don't see myself slowing down. I don't see myself slowing down, I mean, if you look at my bank account, I only got 2.3 million in it. So, I mean, I don't know. It does seem like I might be able to sustain it for a little bit. You can see my income for July. We're at 800,000 income for July. I got to bump that number up. We made 1.6. We had 1.6 million in June. We had 1.5 in May. We had 2.3 in April. We had 1.9 in March. We had 1.8 in February. So yeah, July is we're kind of hurting right now in July. We need to get more payouts. We got to make more money. We got to make some more money here. But yeah, I mean, you know, hey, 2.3 million liquid in the bank. I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. This is kind of interesting when you think about it, right? I've actually, well, I got stopped out right there, I think. Yeah, we got stopped out from the long, so now we just gotta be patient. This is kind of interesting, right? So the Elliot Page got paid 1.5 million for acting in the Odyssey, right? How long, let me see, how long, I wonder how long they filmed for. So I actually make more money than some of these actors who are having to act in movies. I'm pretty much a movie star, you know? I'm pretty much a movie star. I'm pretty much a movie star, so. I'm pretty much rich. I'm pretty much rich. That's 100 days. I made more than Elliot Page made. Fuck you, Elliot Page. What the fuck? We got Jiro here. He said he's been trading for 3 years now and never reached a payout. What have you been doing, bro? What have you been doing, bro? I don't know. What have you been doing? What would be my advice? It's hard to say. Like, I don't really know what you've been... That's a long time to never get a payout. I don't know. That's a tough one. I would say take profit. You know, what are you... I guess it's like, what are you doing wrong? What are you doing wrong, you know? Dude, look at this fucking pump again. Nasdaq pumping again here. It pulls back, stops me out, and then it pumps right back up again. If we get a little pull, I want to see a little pullback here. Might try to jump in for a long again. Pull back here to the two, like tap that EMA one more time here. You know, like right into here. Give me a little pullback. Give me a little wick down before going up there. 5-minute chart looks pretty good though. We're getting ready for well, we're going into like a 10:50 to 11 o'clock time frame into the hourly. So if we pull up the chart here, look at the hourly chart right now. Big wick on the bottom of that hourly candle for now. 64s up there to the 224s. Fuck. We're not gonna get filled. We're not gonna get filled. There it goes. All right, well, we were long earlier at the 121s. It's now up to 240s. So congratulations if you took that long down there. There's 250s now. As you can see, the hourly candle, big push. We're right back up there now, so. Someone said that it broke through the morning highs as you predicted. I mean, I didn't predict, but I thought that was a pretty good play either way. And there you have it. Made a new high right there. Oh, okay. We got a comment in the chat here. Hey PW, taking a $16,000 payout with 20 Apex accounts. You changed my life, man. I'm debt free, saving for a house. My mom loves you. We watch you every day on the TV. Haters are stupid. Thank you, and I love you, bro. God damn. His mama loves me. I mean, haters gonna hate, mama gonna love. If you know what I mean. That's pretty epic. Average Gaming 101. Shout out to my homie. Let's go, baby. We're gonna pin that comment for a minute. I don't think I can pin it actually. It's already up at the top. So yeah. Let's go. That's pretty epic. $16,000 payout, 20 Apex accounts. You know, hey, I'll be honest with you, average gamer. As much as I want to take credit for it, you put in the work, you put in the time, you did it yourself, my friend. I'm just a guy on the internet having a little bit of fun. So shout out to average gamer for getting it done, getting paid. That's what it's all about. So again, you know, congratulations. That's you, man. That's all you. That is not me. Trust me. I did not press the button for you. So congratulations for congratulations to you, man, for getting it done. Big shout out. Big shout out. Scott Baker said, hey, Patrick, I bet you $1 million that we hit 29,300 today. Hey, Scott Baker, you still owe me $2 million, idiot. You still owe me $2 million, bro. You still owe me $2 million, bro. Man, look at these like fucking reactions down here. Another pump. God damn it. I'm gonna try a quick long for 10 points. 10 points, that's all I'm looking for here. I'm not gonna be greedy with it. We're just like playing with these highs up here. See if we can get through that 260s there. If it doesn't just go right now, I might have to move my target up and then we'll try to play it a little longer. But I was looking for just like a quick little scalp right there. Yeah, now it's gonna pull back here. We might have to like, I think going into this 11 o'clock candle close, we should be pumping here. I'm gonna try right here again to add. As long as we stay above this EMA, we're good. As I say that, it crashes down. These are 150K pro take profit trader accounts. Did you see that AW Trades got her ex taken down? That ain't her. It's a bunch of dudes pretending to be girls trying to get affiliate fucking income. That ain't any girl who uses a fucking cartoon photo for her profile pics. Profile pic means that it ain't really a girl, okay? Let's be honest. If a girl has a cartoon photo for her fucking profile pic, that means she's either butt ass ugly or she's a dude. Oh my God, more pullback here. Oh God, I don't like this pullback here. Yeah, I mean, there's no reason, like, why would any good-looking girl use a, you know, Why would any girl use a fucking cartoon photo? Unless they're really ugly, you know? Unless. Someone said they should have held their short from the 250. Maybe. We'll see. So I'm kind of like, this is my thought process right now. This hourly candle. Thinking that we already took out the high from earlier. I was thinking that we would close maybe up here on this hourly candle right now, but maybe we chop as well. I shouldn't have been so confident in continuation. We've been chopping here, so we'll see. As long as we can hold above 200, I think we're good. But right now, just kind of chopping around here. We got 10 minutes until this hourly candle closes. Still some trouble pulling back here again. Someone said they expect a dump because of the emotional buying up here. I mean, maybe, or maybe it's the emotional shorting up here that's going to make us go higher. I don't know. Help, buy or sell. Well, right now I'm long, so that's all I got. I don't know if it's a sell or a buy. I just know that I'm long right now, so. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna go one way or the other. One way or the other. Right now, just chopping around here. Fuck. I move my stop up and then it just comes back down here. Chop City here. PW, it might want to go to 29 180 first. Yeah, it might. I mean, I don't. What do you want me to tell you? It might go up, it might go down. I don't really know. Clearly. Well, this hourly candle to give me that pump, baby. Give me that pump on the hourly candle here. Squeeze out these shorts. Move up towards the 280, 300 level, possibly. That's what I'm looking for here. If we can hold this 220s, we're holding it. Just got to get some more momentum. 5-minute candle right now. You got a wick down. We took out these like previous candle low. Now, can we push to take out the highs up there? Kind of holding on for dear life. We got 5 minutes until this candle closes on the hourly chart. I mean, it looks like it wants to go, but who the fuck knows? Who the fuck knows? We got 4 minutes until this hourly candle closes. Nvidia is kind of just chopping around at 205. It's below the VWAP. We need like a pump on Nvidia here to get this thing going. PW, how many years have you been trading? Like 10 years now? Been trading for 10 years. Live on YouTube, basically. There is nobody else who has been live streaming longer than me on YouTube. All right, day trading wise. In the future space, at least. Me and Ross Cameron, Ricky Gutierrez back in the day. Way back in the day, boys. Were you rich before trading? No, I was poor. Still poor. I lost all my money. Oh my God, look at this pullback here. Chop City. PW, do you like UFC? I mean, I don't not like it. I just don't really watch it though. PW, now that you've become so successful, what motivates you to keep doing YouTube? The money? The money, sir? The money? That's why I keep doing it? The fucking money? That Mac guy said he's been the longest, but I don't believe him. I mean, whatever. Everybody always has something to say. Everybody's always got something to say. We got 2 minutes here till this close here. 2 minutes till the close, chat. 2 minutes till the close. Which way we going? Which way we going? 2 minutes till the close here. Just stuck right now. 2 minutes. Oh, 2 minutes till the close on this candle. So. So Rocket Scooter says he's been trading longer on YouTube than me. So if you go on his, look at this fucking faggot. God, he's so gay. He's got to be the gayest motherfucker I've ever seen in my life. But he started streaming 3 years ago, right? 3 years ago, his oldest stream on YouTube. My oldest stream on YouTube is 8 years ago. So, I mean, I'm not that good at math, chat. I'm not very good at math, but the last time I checked, 8 is much bigger than 3. All right, is 8 not much bigger than 3? Let's be honest. Let's be honest here. I'm pretty sure 8 is bigger than 3, but what do I know, right? What do I fucking know? God. Oh my God, so close to breaking out here. The blue line of resistance. Yeah. Classic. Dude, fucking my entry is holding the whole market down. My entry is holding the whole goddamn market down. What is my strategy? Buy low, sell high. What about the idea that wealthy people don't work for money, but rather money works for them? I mean, that's a true idea. I don't know what you want me to tell you. Yes, rich people use money to make money. Rich people use money to make money, whereas poor people spend money and then work to make money. La 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 la. Oh shit. We got more people in the chat making money. We got Matthew, $30,000 month PW. Huge thanks to you. You are the one who deserves all the credit other than myself for the success. Been watching your streams day in and day out since 2020. God damn. $30,000, Matthew Fuller. Let's go. We got winners in the chat, baby. We got winner chicken dinners. That's a good month right there, my friend. $30,000. Let's go. Guys, by the way, last chance to get your Apex $49 50K accounts. If you haven't already, it's your last chance. Last chance. Last chance. Well, fuck me. Fuck me, man. Fuck me. Right back down again, just kind of stuck here now. So if you look at the 5-minute chart, I mean, we had wick on the bottom, now the pullback again. So we'll see what happens. If we can swipe all these lows down here, pull back into the middle of the 15-minute range, maybe, I don't know. We got 958 likes. We got to get it to at least 1,000. Straight back down here now. Look at this. I'm going to try to add if we get down to the 180s. That's what I'm going to try to add at. We got that EMA down there, maybe. We're still holding up in the top of the 15-minute range, so... Lions Den Farms. PW, just wondering, did you make all that money from trading? Nah, man. Feet pics on onlypropfirms.com. Well, so basically today we have just chopped to the downside. We've pumped back to the upside and then now chopped some more. So quite the fun morning so far. Hourly candle kind of pulling back here, putting in a wick to the downside probably. PW, pullback or rollover? I mean, hopefully it's just a pullback, but who knows? Who knows? Still just holding up there at the 200s. It's kind of it just looks fucked up no matter what, no matter how you look at it. No matter how you look at it, it just looks fucked up here. All right, we'll see if we get filled here on this dip. I moved my target down a little bit, see if it like is gonna take out this wick here first to put in like a higher low maybe, but we'll see. There's that. I would have gotten filled right there, but damn it, why did I fucking A? Should not have moved my buy down. Ugh. That would have been nice. Wow. Motherfuckers. Motherfuckers. You gotta love it. You know, sometimes you're like, you want to be smart and play it safe and be like, okay, I'm gonna see if it goes lower for a dip buy, and then it hits right to where you you know. Just curious, why are you trading with Trade-of-8 instead of NinjaTrader? Trade-of-8, I've always traded with Trade-of-8, the biggest and the largest, baby, #1 prop firm. Wow, chat, are you kidding me? What a fucking pussy. I'm such a fucking pussy. Why did I move my buy? God. I had a dip buy right there at the fucking 185s. Look at it. Yeah, NinjaTrader owns Trade-of-8. I know that. I know that. Thank you very much. I do know that. Wow. Wow. Motherfuckers. They do this shit on purpose. Like, look at how nicely the 10-minute, the 5-minute chart, like, oh my God. Right off the fucking middle of the 15-minute range now. Up there to the 260s. You gotta love it sometimes. You have to just love it. Ugh. You gotta love it sometimes. Oh, buddy, buddy, buddy. All right, well, I think now I'm kind of looking for 280s, maybe 300. Look at the 30-minute chart, they said. Okay. Yeah. Right off the EMAs. Right for the pump now. You can see also on the hourly chart, like we talked about, right? Kind of put in that wick, pulling back, putting in the wick there, and now pumping up here, 260s. So. Stock Itch says that NinjaTrader is 100 times better than Trade-of-8. I've traded both for years, but I'm betting that you are paid to promote Trade-of-8. Well, you know that NinjaTrader owns Trade-of-8. So Trade-of-8 doesn't actually care if I trade with NinjaTrader or Trade-of-8. But to be honest, I have used Trade-of-8 since I started. So that's kind of like why I stick with it. Just being honest with you. Do they pay me? Yes. But at the same time, I've been using Trade-of-8 for the last like 6 years. So, but yeah, I would use Trade-of-8 no matter what. It works for me. I'm not gonna change something that works, right? That's just not what I'm gonna. There's no point in changing. Why change something that works, you know? Well, there you go. That's 40 points. Where's all my haters at? I can look at this pump. That's 100 points if you would have bought this dip. Remember, we were trying to buy that dip off the 180s. I got scared. And look at that. You gotta love it, chat. You gotta fucking love it, man. I want some W's in this chat. Where I don't get no W's. D Money calls out a 10-point trade. He gets W's all day. I fucking give you guys 100 points and I don't even get one W. I don't even get one W. I don't get even one W. This is some real bullshit. Real bullshit, chat. Real motherfucking bullshit. All right, I'm looking to see, can we get up there above 300 next? Is that possible? Right? 29,300 up there. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I want to see. doot, 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 doot. You turn the music up. All right, like I'm kind of just looking for maybe up into the 320 area, maybe a little less. We'll see. It's basically a free trade at this point. So, free trade. It's either gonna work out or it's not. Kind of see what happens. Got a new 5-minute candle opening now. Could be a little pullback before more push to the upside. Good time to be patient either way. And in my Lucid account today, this is my Lucid dashboard. Another $1,000 day in the Lucid accounts. We have locked in close to $50,000 in profit this month, in payouts, in actual money in my bank account. $50,000 trading with Lucid. We have 5 of the Pro accounts. They have no daily loss limit now. They are 40% off currently, but there you go. 5 Pro accounts, and we're up $50,000 in payouts this month alone. All right, I'm just putting it out there. Nasdaq is still pushing. So, shout out to all my homies in the chat. Everybody that believed in me. Did you believe in me, chat? That's a 150K account, yes. What's your go-to prop firm account size? Either 50K or 150K. This depends on the prop firm, honestly. Is this a good trade? Do you guys like this trade? I'm just wondering, chat. What can I do to get more viewers on YouTube? Right? What would you like to do? You know, what can I do to make you guys happier? Do you want me to? I'll come to your house. All right, I will fly my helicopter to your house. I'll land the helicopter on your fucking roof. I'll then jump off the roof. I'll then go inside your house and I'll fucking punch you right in the goddamn face. Okay, how about that? Is that what you like? You want to get freaky? You want to get freaky, chat? All right. You want to get freaky? Oh, I'll do it. D Money and Denny corn dog eating punishment. Wait, what? You don't shout out your viewers enough. Fuck you, Diddy. You little pussy ass bitch. Do you still like my funded futures? They're all right. Honey, let's not do that right now, please. Isn't the maid coming anyway? Doing fucking dishes right now. We have a maid. We have a maid, and Victoria's over there choosing to do dishes right now while I'm streaming live on YouTube. God, get the maid here to do the dishes when I'm not live. What are your top 3 recommended prop firms? Ooh, why does it gotta be 3? Why can't it be 5? Why can't it be 5? Well, I mean, to be honest, it's hard, to deny. I got over $1 million in payouts with Apex back in the day. So, Apex was my big daddy payouts. Lucid came along, changed the game, became the big player. You got to take Profit Trader, which has just been consistently kind of in the game for a hot minute. I mean, Apex, Lucid, take Profit Trader. Those 3 prop firms right there. I mean, that's kind of like, that's been my bread and butter. That's been my bread and butter. I've had some big payouts with Take Profit Trader. I've gotten $50,000 in payouts with Lucid this month. It's hard to complain. The nice thing is right now there's so many different options, right? There's so many different options. You've got Tradeify, you've got Blue Sky, you know, you've got all these top firms, you've got Legends, you got a lot of options, right? There's nothing wrong with having multiple prop firm accounts. I truly think that if you're gonna trade prop firms, you should have multiple prop firm accounts. You should spread them out. You should try to like make $100 on one account, go make $100 on another account, and just kind of spread out your risk, right? So that's kind of like my thought process. You spread the risk out, stay alive in the game. Because the whole idea of trading multiple prop firms is simple, right? If I have 5 accounts, let's say I have, for example, let's say I have 5 Lucid Pro accounts. I got 5 Lucid Pro accounts. Well, how do I spread my risk out? Well, I know that each account has, let's say, a $3,000 drawdown, $4,000, whatever it is for the 150K account. Well, if I spread it out and I trade 5 accounts, 1 contract per account, 1 contract per account, that's 5 contracts total. If I spread that out over the accounts, I get more drawdowns. So that's why I copy trade. If you're a new trader, there's nothing wrong with buying the 25K accounts, trading the micros, focusing on consistency, just trying to stay in the game, right? I think a lot of people really underestimate one simple idea. There's one very simple idea when it comes to trading. The longer that you stay in the game, the better you will become, right? That is a fact. People just do not give that idea enough credit. They truly don't. Like, enough people don't understand that if you just stay in the game long enough, right? Just stay in the game long enough, like, you're gonna learn, right? But like, if all you're doing is blowing up, you're blowing up, you're blowing up, like, you're not, like, you gotta stay in the fucking game. And I know that, like, that sounds stupid because, well, obviously everybody like says the same shit, you know, just gotta stay, but like, it really is the truth, because you won't learn everything about trading in just one day, right? You're not gonna learn how to become a good day trader in just 2 days. So the longer that you stay in the game, the more you're gonna learn. So that really goes back to a very simple idea that what should you be doing, right? What should you be doing? Well, you should be trying to survive the game so that you can learn the game. If you start out trading and all you're doing is blowing up your accounts, blowing up your accounts, blowing up your accounts, well, you're not staying in the game. You're just losing. So you need to focus on a very simple idea, right? A very simple idea, and that is staying alive in the game. Nasdaq's still sitting up here at the highs, and we're seeing what happens here. We're seeing what happens here. So, yeah, I think the biggest advice that I could give anybody out there for day trading is just like, you got to stay in the game. You got to stay alive. You got to keep your money, kind of protect your money, right? As a day trader, the #1 goal is to protect your money. The money in your account, the money in your bank, all that, like, that's what you need. That's your army. That's how you make money, right? If you don't have any money, it's hard to make money. So the longer you can stay in the game, the more money you can make. And it's not like, you're not going to get rich quick. And I tell people that all the time, but they don't believe me, right? Because everybody just, like, they go online, they see some 15-year-old kid who's got a Lambo, and they're like, man, this kid's got a Lambo. He must be good at day trading, right? Like, he must be good at trading. No. He's just good at selling you a course or whatever he's doing. So, again, stay alive, stay in the game, keep the market going. Don't try to be a hero, you know? Don't try to be a hero. Don't try to be a hero. At least not, you know. Guys, I made this video 9 years ago. I want y'all to watch this. I want y'all to watch this. I'm gonna go pee really quickly. All right, this is a video I made 9 years ago.
When I first started day trading.
Hold on a second.
If you watch this video, you're going to understand that you're going to be a better day trader tomorrow.
This video still is very applicable.
I suffered when I first started day trading, and I think if you watch this video, you're going to understand that you're going to be a better day trader tomorrow. So why do new traders think they can become profitable right away? Why do people think that they can open an account and start making money in the stock market right away? Why is that? Why is it? It's an instant gratification. People think that they can start trading, they can watch one DVD, they can watch one YouTube video, and then start making money. And sure, you might get lucky. You might get lucky on 1 or 2 trades, and then boom, you're gonna lose. Or you're gonna get stuck in a trade, or something weird's gonna happen because you don't have the experience and you don't have the emotional capacity to be able to handle a loss, to be able to handle a win in terms of being greedy or taking your profit when you have it. And that's one of the things I keep trying to express to people in the chat room, people that email me. I try to explain this simple theory. It's the idea that you're going to be a better day trader tomorrow. The things that you learn today will in turn make you a better day trader tomorrow. If you keep making the same choices over and over, and those choices end up with bad results over and over, why do you think that they should change? Why will they change? The day trader that I was a year ago is totally different from the trader that I am today. I basically used to gamble on stocks. I would buy penny stocks, or I'd buy stocks with news, and I would hope they go up a little bit and I would buy more, or I would just get caught and they would start crashing. And I had no real clue what I was doing. Now I look for key indicators that I identify, and I can see on the chart, I can see stocks that have the right ingredients to make money. And I have been able to replicate that over and over every single day. I've been able to be profitable every single day. I've been consistently profitable for the last like 2 or 3 weeks now. It's not rocket science. It's not that I've figured out some secret formula. It's not that I have some crazy computer algorithm that allows me to get in on stocks that nobody else knows about. I'm trading the same stocks that everybody else is trading. I'm trading the same stocks that every other day trader is losing money on, or they're making a little bit of money. And there's a reason for that. The reason that I take profit when I have it, the reason that I cut my losses faster than anybody else, the reason that I'm very selective with my entries, it's all about learning from my mistakes, the mistakes that I made in the past where I would get in on stocks, I would overtrade.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. God, that motherfucker just talks and talks and talks. Like, what is he even talking about? You fucking chubby little looking motherfucker. Get him out of here. Get that guy out of here. Get that fucking guy out of here. No, but honestly, like I said, I made the same video 9 years ago. I'll say it again, right? If you want to make money day trading, you got to survive. You got to stay in the game. You got to learn, right? You got to learn. You trying to make money, you got to learn. So if you want to become profitable, you just got to stay in the fucking game long enough to learn all the bad things, right? That's like the biggest thing, right? If you don't learn all the bad, well, then you're never gonna make the money. And the thing is, like, there's no course, there's no guru, there's no Discord, there's no live stream, there's nothing out there that's gonna make you profitable, right? There truly isn't. So you gotta just stay alive, stay alive, stay alive. Exactly. Gotta go through the pain. Gotta go through the pain. Are you using a YouTube software skin softener? What? No. It just, it's my lotion. No, I don't, no. This is all raw filter. There's no filter on here. I wish I had a face. Yeah, Botox, I wish. I do not get Botox. Were you a millionaire 9 years ago? No, I was not a millionaire 9 years ago. What the fuck? Y'all be tripping. Y'all be tripping. Y'all be tripping. Be like, Patrick, were you a millionaire? No. What? Sir, what? Sir, I've been doing this for how long? How long? No, I made a video of my old apartment. This is where I used to live at. I used to live in a little tiny apartment. Like, I was broke. Broke. Look at my dude. Look at my fucking dude. What was I smoking back in the day? Check out this thing. This is my old apartment where I used to live at. How funny is this? 9 years ago. Check out this. Check out this. Watch this. I had my crypto trading platform. My golf clubs. But yeah, this is where I used to live at. Thank you though. That's too. I guess I'll take it. Fuck. Here. I'll take it. This is like a lot. I just had that whole energy drink. If I drink it, if I drink that, I'm gonna die. Well, maybe I'll die anyway. But yeah, I mean, I was poor. Dude, look at my crypto trading machine. Bro, what was I doing, Patrick? Oh my lord. This is back when I was mining crypto. I was mining crypto back in the day. God, you gotta love it. I was a crypto miner. This is my old studio before the BDH. This is what my old studio looked like before I had the BDH. Pretty funny. Pretty funny, man. Like, what was going on? Why did I have this? A green screen? 9 years ago, making videos on YouTube. Gotta love it. Do I look different now? What do you think? What do you think? Are we gonna hit target here or what? I'm gonna move this up a little bit. It should blast through the 20s at least. Let's go for 35. Let's go for 100 points. Why not? You have not aged at all. I mean, my hair is definitely thinner. My hair is definitely thinner. I just been living, man. I just been eating. Been eating. Because he looked old from the beginning. Wow. Fucking assholes. I mean, like I always say, you know, my haters are my biggest supporters, right? I'm 37 years old. Yes, 37. Why do the Chinese channels always go against the market? Because they're Chinese. I don't know what to tell you. FSP is a scam. The dude talks about Jesus Christ and the Bible while he's day trading. And I've said this a million times, right? I'm all for it. Like, believe in God, have your religion, all that. But like, you don't need, like, the minute that your guru starts combining Jesus with their teachings, that's when they're trying to basically scam you, right? What is the easiest way to get people to like can believe that you have their, you know, best interest in mind? Well, that's by basically saying, you know, oh, well, guys, I believe in the Jesus just like you, so buy my course. You know, buy my course. Don't do it. Don't do it. Keep it out. Everybody should have their, you know, I'm all for it. Like, you know, obviously I believe in God and all that too, but I don't sit here all day long talking about it. You know, there's when your guru starts using Jesus to get more views, you should be worried. You should be worried. Ski1459 says, don't agree with that. Should I follow you because I like Pokemon? What? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Willis? Yes, you like Pokemon. I mean, there's literally like, there's a YouTube channel called DayTrading and Jesus. Like, this can't be real life, right? Like, what? He's got a trading academy. Like, come on. Use his code. Let's see what God... I'm excited you're here. Let's see what God wants to do, ... And then affiliate codes. Bro. Is this real life? Like, what? How to start learning ICT. It's classic. So fucking classic. Connect with me. I'm on Jesus. God. Dude, like, do we really think that God is like excited about this? You know, do you think God, you know, is like, man, I'm excited that you're using my name to fucking get more affiliate clicks? You know, like, crazy work. Crazy work, chat. Absolute crazy work. Welcome. Hey, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Let's see what God wants to do today. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, everybody. If let's have a moment to pray together because God sent you here. God, this morning when you woke up, God said, find Patrick. Find Patrick. Go to Patrick. Use the code PW. Use the code. Use the code. I can't. The best is ICT. Actually, I swear to God, ICT has literally publicly said that Jesus came down from heaven and showed him the algorithm. I swear to God, this is not even me making this up. This is literally ICT's own words. He says that God or Jesus came down and fucking taught him how to day trade. It's crazy, crazy work. And I just feel like somebody who actually believes in God, you know, like you would be kind of like, are you fucking serious? You know, are you fucking serious? Jesus is the best day trader there ever was, okay? Everybody knows that. It's biblical. It's biblical. It's biblical. It's biblical. Where's my stop at? Well, I'm long from 35s. My stop is right below this low here. Trying to see if we can get continuation to the upside now, but kind of a pullback here. If we get stopped out, I'm fine with that. It's almost 11:30. We got D-Money coming up at 12, so. Someone in the chat said, it's stunning how gullible the people who are fans of ICT are. Well, I mean, is it funny or is it just funny? Oh my God, we're about to get stopped out here. Yeah, it's pulling back. Trump's talking, so we might get stopped. Easy profit, still a $2,000 profit there on that runner. I wanted to see if we could get more. Gave it a little bit of room, but market just kind of chopping right back down here. I guess Trump's talking or something. That's karma, PW. Hey, Eduardo, go fuck yourself, you fucking faggot. You think karma cares about me trading? You think, get out, you motherfuckers. They be like, Patrick, that's karma. That's what happens when you talk about Jesus. I literally said that any motherfucker out there that is using Jesus to get more affiliate clicks is a scam. That's a fucking scam, you motherfucking faggot. Eduardo, that's what happens, Patrick. That's what happens when you mock God. God. These motherfuckers, man. I swear to God. Karma. Karma got me because I talked about God on YouTube. Karma got me. Everybody, let's take a moment here. Let's take a moment here to pray. Dear little baby Jesus, can you please make the market go up? Please send more people to my YouTube channel. Please, so I can make more money, so I can buy more helicopters. Please, Jesus, please, can you help me? Like, get the fuck out of here. You think Jesus gives a fuck about me making money? You think God gives a fuck about day trading? God, I swear to God, people are fucking retarded. You're fucking retarded. Patrick, the reason the market pulled back is because you use God's name in vain. I can't! Please, baby Jesus, make that market go up! Please, baby Jesus, make that market go up! Please, baby Jesus, make that market go up! It's working. It's fucking working. Please, baby Jesus, make my target get it. Fuck! God does not give a fuck about my day trading profits. Y'all are fucking retarded. Anybody in this chat right now who is gonna sit here and think that God, you got a whole fucking planet here, you got a whole fucking planet, people dying, and God's over here listening to my YouTube channel going, Patrick, this is what's gonna happen now. You mocked me, and now I'm gonna make the market go back down so that you can lose $1,000. You fucking idiots. God. What do you mean now I'm done? I'm green. This guy's, I'm green right now. If I get stopped out, that's still, it's profit. I'm making money. Guys, I'm literally making money here. What are you talking about? I'm done. How am I gonna be done? It's making money right now. What the fuck are you talking about? Patrick, you're done. You're gonna lose. I can't lose even if I tried. I can't even lose if I tried here. There's no losing. I'm already in the green. I'm already in the fucking green. So yeah, I want to see God make me not make money here. How about that? Catch me outside. Exactly. He can't, because he don't give a fuck. He don't give a fuck about our earthly possessions. God. Stop, bro. You're committing blasphemy. I'm not committing shit. I talk to God all I want. You think God gives a fuck about how much money I make trading? Zero. What God gives, he can take away. Probably won't be money. Could be your health. Hey, Wilbur. You fucker, you talk. Why do these people even talk? Wilbur, did God make you look like a fucking faggot on purpose, or did he do it, by choice? Or by mistake? Wilbur. Who the fuck is named Wilbur? Motherfucking Wilbur! Ugh, now I'm jacked. I'm just jacked. I'm jacked to the tits. I'm jacked to the tits. To the tits. Man. Oh, Lord. Lord, have mercy on my soul, for I have sinned. God will not make you lose money, but he listens, Patrick. Will you guys shut the fuck up? God, why do I get the fucking religious fanatics in my chat? How does that happen? How do I get the religious fanatics of all the people? It's crazy work. Literally, crazy work. And now I'm gonna get stopped out. They're all gonna see, I told you. I told you, Patrick, you, that's what happens. It's karma. It's fucking karma, Patrick. Patrick, you made this guy. This guy's name is a trading nerd. He said, Patrick, you made a huge mistake. Your downfall is on its way. Well, you know what I'm gonna go ahead and do? I'm gonna go ahead and just block you, you fucking psychopath. Barbara, I'm gonna block you. This is not a religious fucking, guys, this is not religion. We're not here to talk about your fucking beliefs. We're here to make money. If you want to talk about God, go somewhere else, because we're not here to do that. We're here to make money. All right, we're here to make money. Crazy work. Crazy work. People be crazy up in here. With PW, it's car maxing. Exactly. Car maxing. The more cars, the more money. Patrick, let's focus on the charts. I'm literally long right now. What do you mean focus on the charts? It's pulling back. Just get it over with, Nasdaq. Stop me out. God, finally. 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 Got it over with. All right, well, Nasdaq is kind of pulling back here. So, should we get short? No, I don't like getting short. Cody Stafford, are you up today? No, I'm down. I got Down syndrome. I'm not. I got the Down syndrome, sir. I got the autism. I got the down. I got the down. I got the down. Patrick, do you trade for earnings? No, I trade for losing. The fuck? These comments, man. These comments, man. Comments, man. These comments, man. Look, chat. Look, whatever you want. Believe me, don't believe me. Say I'm a scammer. Whatever you want, right? But here you go. It's simple. It's easy. It's right there, right? I'm not making anything up. This is my Lucid funded accounts. We've gotten over $50,000 in payouts this month alone, right? I get it. I understand that you watch people on the internet and you don't believe anybody. That's fine. I understand that. But at the end of the day, here's the proof, right? Here's the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. You know, I don't know what else to say. That's all I got. Do I make $1 million as an affiliate per month? Yes. Do I have a free live stream? Yes. Do I make money trading? Yes. Am I a bad person? Yeah, I mean, no. No. I'm just a realist, right? That's my whole mindset, my whole realism is like I am a realist, right? I don't live in a fantasy fucking world. The world that I live in, there's only two kinds of people. There's men, there's women, right? Me and Jesus, me and God. I'm baptized. I've been to church. I grew up going Catholic school. I've got a relationship with God, but I don't feel the need that I need to sit here all day long and talk about it, right? If other people want to do that, that's fine. But I don't think that it's right to use God as a way to get more followers, to use your affiliate code, right? That's how I feel about it. Does that make me a bad person because I don't preach about God all day? No. I think that's just the truth, right? That is the truth in the world. Everybody can believe whatever they want to believe. I'm not telling anybody to do differently, but me personally, I've got my relationship, right? I've got my relationship with God, and I'm going to continue to keep that going, right? I've gotten to where I got to in this life, not because, not because I'm a genius, but I got, maybe God does love me. Maybe Jesus does love me. Maybe all of my success is from the fact that I got money, from the success of my belief, So again, it's just like, I don't know why people come at me and get all upset because they're like, you don't love the God. I'm living, man. My life is good. I'm happy. I'm making money. We're having a good time. It's just like, I don't understand why I get so much hate. People get so mad, right? Like, I get it. Like, it's fine. If you're mad that I don't fucking talk about God every 5 minutes, It's just, like we're here to make money. This ain't fucking church. There's plenty of fucking religious channels out there. Go watch them. Not here. Can you put on a YOLO trade? Probably not. Do I think it's gonna reverse? Maybe. Maybe not. Who knows? I don't fucking know. Hourly chart, we got about 15 minutes here until the hourly candle closes. Kind of pushed up there through the 300s, got pretty much right to our original target, that 320 area. Got a little greedy when it got up there, but right now a little pullback here. Pulling back into the top of the 15-minute range. We'll see what happens. We had Trump talking, I guess, for a minute. Going into the 12 o'clock candle, I think we should probably see what happens here. But right now, just being patient. Just being patient, no rush. If you guys haven't already made money today, well, you screwed up, basically. So, yeah. You screwed up, okay? You screwed up, chat. Yes, screwed up. Is Lucas doing London anytime soon? I think he's going on vacation with his family or something, and he's doing some other stuff. The plan right now is to get Lucas to come to California and do some streams with me. You know, and kind of do some work with Lucas here at in the West Coast. I gotta mentor him. You know, I gotta mentor Lucas, so he's ready for action. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, me being a mentor for Lucas. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. 21 years old. I told Lucas I would make him a millionaire by the time he's 25. I told Lucas I would make him a millionaire by the time he's 25 years old. But don't worry, chat. I'm gonna coach him. I'm gonna work him up. I'm gonna teach him. I'm gonna make him better. He's not gonna be as gay when I'm done with him. All right. When I'm done with him, Lucas won't be as gay as he is now. You know, D Money and Denny, I can't. They're gonna make him more gay. So I'm gonna bring Lucas out to the West Coast and show him, you know, what it's like to not be gay. You know. Why do all the 20-year-olds need money these days? Wait, what? This guy said, why do all the 20? I think everybody needs money. I think everybody needs. I don't know about 8. I mean, it don't matter how old you are. I mean, you need money, right? Yeah, no. I'm gonna put Lucas to work. I'm gonna teach him everything he needs to know, and then one day he can take over. Right? He can take over the BDH, and then I can retire. I mean, that's honestly my goal. My goal this year is to get to a point where I don't have to stream anymore. Hopefully, by the end of this year, I'm done streaming forever. And I got a whole team of people who do it for me. There's that pump. There's the pump. Should we try the long here into the close? Let's try it. Can we pump it? Pump it. Pump it. That was a terrible entry, by the way, but hey, the pump is real. We're going into the 12 o'clock candle close. We got 10 minutes until the 12 o'clock candle closes. See if we can't get back up there above 300 really quickly. Take a quick little, like, 10 points. Easy peasy mac and cheesy kind of vibes. Nice push here on the 5-minute chart, too. You saw we broke above that previous 5-minute candle. Kind of looking for a push above 300 for this hourly candle to close. Coco said he just started watching my live stream. Where the fuck have you been, Coco? Motherfucking Coco. Motherfucking Coco. Motherfucking Coco. Oh my god, that was 10 points. I want W's in the chat. W's, 10 points. 10 points. Almost. Oh my god. Oh, motherfucker. You motherfucker. You motherfucker. Right back down again. All right, we got 10 minutes here until this hourly candle closes. We pull up the chart right now. Look at the hourly candle here. The high of this hourly candle is 320. Can we get back up towards that high? for this candle to close. Possibly. Possibly. Very possible. So we'll see if we get filled here for 10 points, and then I'm done for the day, and then D-Money's coming up next. D-Money's always got, it's a hard show to follow. You got to follow up to PW. I mean, hey, you know, haters gonna hate, players gonna play. We got D-Money coming up 12 o'clock. We got Denny at 6 o'clock at night. So we got the whole team out here winning. We got the whole team out here winning. We got the whole team. We got the whole team winning. Winning, winning, winning. By the way, guys, last final day. Apex, $49 all-in costs on those 50K intradays. Hey, if you like to party, that might be the party for you. If you don't like to party, well, hey, that's fine too. Don't be afraid. All right. Nasdaq, can we get this pumpity? I need a little bit of dear baby Jesus. Can you just give me 10 points? Little baby Jesus, you're laying there in your little crib, and the goats are there, and the cows and the horses, and you're in the hay, and can you make the market? No, it didn't go up. Didn't work. It did not work. Oh yeah. PW, don't retire from live trading. Oh, I gotta retire. I'm too old for this shit. This is why Lucas is perfect. He's 21 years old, man. He's got like at least 15 years of streaming ahead. So Emma said Jesus is not a baby anymore. You shut the fuck up, Emma. You shut the fuck up, Emma. Jesus is always a baby to me. Little baby Jesus, okay? I can pray to whoever the fuck I want, Emma. God. Nobody's gonna watch that guy for long, much less 15 years. You don't think people are gonna watch Lucas once I teach him everything that I know? Once I teach Lucas everything that he knows, I think people are gonna watch him. They're gonna watch. They're gonna love. They're gonna watch him and they're gonna love him. I mean, when I'm done with Lucas, he's gonna be a cold-blooded fucking killer. He's gonna be a cold-blooded killer. All right? He's gonna be a goddamn blooded killer. He knows what you know, how to gamble. Hey, look at Wilbur. Wilbur's still in the chat, even after we made fun of him for looking like a goofy motherfucker. Look, he's still here. They love it. He's my little bitch. Bend over, Wilbur. Bend over and shut up, boy. Listen to daddy. Listen to daddy. God, imagine, like, I can literally sit here and make fun of Wilbur for being a faggot and he still just stays because he loves me so much. He's so attracted to me. He needs me. He wants me. He wants to touch my pee-pee, but I'm not letting him. I'm not letting you touch me, Wilbur. Get out of here, Wilbur. Get out of here, Wilbur. Pulling back. I'm gonna try a little dip buy here. Pulling back. What kind of name is Wilbur? That's what I call my fucking little oink oink piggy. Come here, Wilbur. Wilbur, you little piggy. Not looking great. You shut the fuck up, Trevor. Some guy named Trevor. Imagine being that your name was Trevor. Like, tell me that your parents are fucking liberal, just tell me they're gay. Be like, if I had a son, be like, my son, I'm gonna name him Trevor. Nope, terrible name. Wilbur and Trevor, two terrible names. I would never name my kid that because it would not be good for anybody. Oh my Lord. Are you training any others? I live in the desert. Anthony no, what? Fucking A. Pulling back here again. Going into this close. The chop is real. If we just keep adding, we're good. We can't lose if we don't sell. Don't sell, just keep adding. I mean, maybe we pull back down, we break this low again. I don't know. Just keep buying the bottom of these candles. It's foolproof. It's foolproof. I'm telling you, it's foolproof. This is my go-to strategy. Buy low, sell high, never fails. Never fails. I'm gonna name my son Patrick Michael Huddleston. That's fucked up. That is fucked up, Sylvian. That's fucked up. Yo, Patrick, we're wrapping your Mav-R right now. Let's go, Tony. Wrap it up, baby. You better make it look good, Tony. You better make it look good, Tony. I know where you live, Tony. I actually don't know where you live, Tony, but please make it look good for me. God! James said he had a pet cockroach named Wilbur. You had a cockroach pet? How long does a cockroach pet live for? Forever? Like your whole life? How much? What do you feed it? There we go. Fawn John said he's gonna name his son Patrick Demarius Denny Lucas III. Hey, I mean that's a good name right there. That is a good name. That is a good name right there, man. Patrick Demarius Denny Lucas, the first of his name, the first of the man of the Andols, the man of the man. Sounds like Maximus Decimus Meridius. True. Patrick, are we gonna play the range high and low? I mean, maybe. We got a minute left here on this candle here. I don't like that Nvidia is like rolling over right now, but can we just get a little pump out of here? Just give me like 10 points and I'll get out. Give me 10 points and I'll get out. If not, I'll just hold it forever and I'll never get out. Because if you never sell, you never lose. True story. That's what they told me at least. Fucking Nvidia is like rolling over right now. ES is stuck at the highs. Nasdaq stuck here. We might have to wait for this hourly candle to close. We got D-Money coming up in 2 minutes. If you have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. If you don't like me, don't worry. You can go watch D-Money from 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So, you know, we are all about giving people what they want. Sometimes they love me, sometimes they hate me. And, yep, dipping down again. So, should have went for the 10 points when I had it. What you doing today? Today I'm driving down to Mexico, actually. I gotta go drive down to Mexico. Tony said, Mike told us that you like getting all your cars wrapped 2 weeks to a month each. Me and my brother will move out there permanently to wrap your cars. Full-time wrap job. Wrap it up. Uh-oh. All right, well, awkward. I think as long as we can basically stay above this 15-minute range high, the 245 level, we should try to gravitate higher later on. Who knows? Maybe we kind of pull back into here and then we bounce to go back up. Hourly candle is about to close. You got kind of that doji there. So there it is, hourly candle close now. And let's see what happens right here. We'll see. I'm gonna nurse this one, and then I'm gonna let D-Money go live. And there it is. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, we're back, 9 a.m. live, trying to do it again, do it well. So shout out to D-Money. I love you, brother. I love you, brother. I love you, brother. I love you, brother. Love you, brother. All right, hold on 1 second. It's gonna pump, and then I'm gonna close it out. Hold on. Somebody said, cool, now we get D-Money with no drama, no cussing. Banned for life. Banned. Guys, we're here to have fun, all right? Just because I say dirty things about Wilbur trying to touch my pee-pee does not make me gay. It makes Wilbur gay, okay? I could get out of this right now and just lock it out. Just get out of it. But I want more. I want at least 10 points here. Back up into this, like 85 level. I want W's 8. When everybody goes on to, when you go to the D-Money stream, put the W's in the chat. And then if he asks what's going on, say, PW got the W. PW got the W. Just say it like that. Say, PW got the W. PW got the W. PW got the W. Come on, Nasdaq, just pump it. There we go. 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 Go 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 go. So close, but yet so far. Come on, Nasdaq. I gotta go, man. What are you doing? Come on, just go, Nasdaq. Pop it. Pop it like it's hot. 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 Come on, right here, Nasdaq. Pop it. I need to get off. There we go. Tell D-Money I said, what's up? Winner, winner, chicken motherfucking dinner.